In this video, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Google Chrome opened. So what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots just up here. From this menu that comes up, what you need to do is come down and click onto settings just down here. What that's going to do is take you into your settings and go ahead and reset Google Chrome to default settings. All you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and towards the bottom you're going to see an option to reset settings. So what you want to do is give that a click. Then you're going to see an option which says restore settings to their original defaults. What you need to do is click onto this, and as you can see, by resetting your settings, this is going to reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. Also, it's going to disable extensions and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history and safe passwords will not be affected. So to go ahead and do this, all you want to do is click the blue reset settings button, and that's going to go ahead and reset Google Chrome to default settings. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.